These are technique tips for Germany question 2. You can see that this is a describe question. You are asked to tell us what you know about a particular topic. In this case, you're asked about the Jews and how they were persecuted in the years 1933 to 39 in Nazi Germany. It's important that you identify these key frameworks for the question. In this example, you can see that an example of how Jews were persecuted is identified. That gets you 1 mark. Kristallnacht on the 9th and 10th of November 1938 means that we have got an event persecuting the Jews in the right time frame. We then get marks according to what information is given to describe the event. That their businesses, homes and synagogues were attacked might get you 1 mark. That they were made to pay damages gets you another mark. And indeed, in this case, the answer may have raised 4 points. You'll still just get 3 marks, but those should be secured. Again, the Nuremberg laws are identified. The date is given to confirm that the event happens within the topic and within the time frame. You'll get a mark for identifying it, a mark for giving evidence, like the Reichscitizenship law, maybe another one for the law of the protection of German blood and honour. And then there's another mark available for the information you can give. Again, this answer is perhaps worthy of 4 marks, and so it will definitely achieve the 3 that are in the question. So where does it go wrong? There are several ways you can miss out on getting 3 marks. You may make an error in the facts that you give. Some people might suggest that rather than Kristallnacht, they name the Night of the Long Knives as the night when the Nazis attacked Jewish homes. This is incorrect and cannot be rewarded. You maybe work outside the dates of the question. So you mention things like the final solution of 1942, where the Nazis decided to use extermination camps. This cannot be rewarded because it does not happen within the time frame. If you're mentioning evidence about information that happens outside the time frame, you still cannot be rewarded. Sometimes your answers will be lacking in detail. The Jews were taken out of the workplace to make room for non-Jews. This is rather vague. You would instead need keywords like Gleichschaltung or the Nuremberg laws to be mentioned, where it talks about restricting employment for those Jews. Sometimes people do give 3 facts, but they are 3 facts about 3 different events, rather than choosing one event of Jewish persecution and developing it with 3 associated pieces of information.